Roll with me to do some laundry. Now, forgot something. I'm going to tell you this right now. The washing machines in Costa Rica or in Central America hit different. That's right. Look at it. You're not going to find this in the United States. And don't worry, yeah, it looks like that on the inside, but it doesn't get up that high, so it's clean. Leave me alone. Again, that's how I received it. You scrub it down. That's right. Pura vida. What do you want? It works okay. Have your dials. Clean out the system. Just turn on the faucet, rinse it out a little bit. Then you turn it from drain to normal. Collect water. Add your soap detergent or soap powder. What do you call it? Powder or detergent? Okay, now you see a lot of water's in there trying to clean my dirty sheets. You always have to clean up the dirty sheets. Yes. All right, so there's plenty of space, as you can see. Stop being bougie and say, oh, it looks so dirty inside. It's clean. Put the top on. Turn it to 15. Yeah, I'm going to put it on heavy. Get some deep scrubbing. And that's it. All right, you see what it does. You see it in action. Nice and clean. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's about to get a little gnarly once it's done. Here we go. We're finished. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's my first thought when I first did it. Yeah. But check this out. No problem. Watch this. I'll show you. Look. Drain the water. Okay. At least you can see all of the work that it did. Turn that clean faucet on. And while it's draining, you rinse off the clothes before you put it into the spinner. Sorry, I got a text message while I was talking, so it is what it is. I'm all about the one-hitter quitter with the narration. That's right, look at your boy, cleaning as we go. And repeat. Wash off the extra dirty water. That's right, you got to be a little diligent. Now, you don't have to do this. Some people do it 2 cycles, but I'm not about that life. Now you stuff it into the spinner. All right? Everything is done at once in your fancy United States washing machines. And yes, they have them here as well, but these are very common around the country. All right? You spin it for 5 minutes, gets all the excess water off. Round and round we go. Who am I? Round and round we go. Get up, step up. All right, then while you are waiting for it to spin, you can rinse out the inside of the main washing machine. Clean it out. Okay, yes, I see it. You have eyes too. My clothes are clean. Get over it. All right, this is pura vida. Right, now, you clean that out. Ready for the next one. Yes, I do wash it down with bleach and everything. Again, I'm a tenant who moved in. Thumbs up. It's finished. What you want from me? I love this part. Favorite part is to watch it spin and to make it stop. Love that. All right, you just take your things out and you put it on the clothesline to dry. That, my friends, is a Costa Rican washing machine or a Central America washing machine. You hang it to dry. Laundry Dunners. Like, share, subscribe.